What's going on, guys? We're back with another Anker product. Let's see. Alright guys, so Anker wires, we got a few of them to choose from. This particular bundle I bought on Amazon. It is a USB-C to USB-C braided wire. They're 6 foot long. It's a 5-pack for $25. So this was probably the cheapest configuration of wires. I needed multiple of them. If you guys been watching a few of the other videos, I just recently upgraded to the iPhone 15, so it's USB-C now. I had to get all new wires because the lightning port hopefully is dead and gone, and they will remain using USB-C wires. So you guys obviously can use these for whatever, transfer wires for your computer. I have them on my camera as well. Everything is USB-C. It's time to upgrade. So yeah, these are just the wire. Again, they're 6 foot in length. They're braided cables. They're strong, they're durable. I personally love Anker. Anytime I need a wire now, I go directly to Anker and see what they have on their site. We're not paid or sponsored by them. I just been using the brand. I've been using so many different brands of wires, and just Anker has just been my go-to. They're just durable, long-lasting, solid brand wires. So that's why we keep going with that. So yeah. So basically, you get the USB-C to USB-C wire, and whatever you guys use to plug it in, whatever your device is, whether it be your computer or using it as a charging wire, you could do so. These wires can handle 60 watts, they say. I do keep it on my fast charging plug from Apple that was like $900. You can use these. I use them. I like the 6 foot. I keep saying, yeah, 6 foot length. Sometimes they're like, 5.8 or whatever, but these are 6 foot in length, and keep one in each vehicle, one in my bag, one everywhere. And again, I use them for the house charger and the car. I did another video with a USB A to C. Check out the tech accessories if you guys missed that video and are looking for that style. But again, this will plug into any device that you need it for, and they're just strong, durable. That braided wire is good. It comes with the the Velcro strap to keep them together. And basically, you could not find a better deal that was at least a braided cable from a reliable brand, I should say, for that price. So I nailed these. Again, $25 for a 5-pack of them. Just wanted to showcase that to you guys, that they are available. You can purchase them, and spend a couple of dollars more. Don't get the Chinese stuff, and you'll have a wire that will be significantly more durable and more reliable for your charging needs. So that's all we got for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, ask any questions you have. Follow us on Instagram, reach out to us there on Messenger, whatever you guys choose to do. And that's all we got for you. Take care.